Welcome to Review the Best by your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical vegan protein, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from vegan protein, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best vegan protein from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Orgain Organic Vegan Protein Powder Creamy Chocolate Fudge 21-gram Plant Protein. Orgain Organic Vegan Protein Powder in Creamy Chocolate Fudge flavor is the perfect addition to your daily routine. Each serving provides 21 grams of organic plant-based protein from peas, brown rice, and chia seeds, delivering all 9 essential amino acids. With 0 grams of sugar and low net carbs, it's an ideal choice for those looking to maintain a healthy diet or boost their protein intake. This protein powder is also packed with 6 grams of prebiotic fiber for gut support. It's USDA organic, non-GMO, and free from gluten, soy, dairy, and artificial additives, making it a cleaner, healthier option. Enjoy it mixed with water, almond milk, or oat milk, or get creative by adding it to smoothies, shakes, and even baked goods for an energy boost. Perfect for any lifestyle, whether you're working out, following a diet, or seeking a nutritious meal replacement. Each container has 20 servings for your convenience. Number 2. Garden of Life Meal Replacement Shakes Vegan Protein Powder Raw Organic Protein Powder. Garden Life Raw Organic Meal Replacement Shakes offer a nutritious and delicious way to fuel your day. Each serving provides 20 grams of plant-based protein from organic pea protein, along with 6 grams of fiber and only 150 calories, making it the perfect low-calorie, high-protein meal replacement. This gluten-free vegan protein powder mixes easily with water or plant milk and blends seamlessly into smoothies or even baked goods. Packed with organic peas, sprouted grains, seeds, and legumes, it provides essential vitamins and minerals to support your health. The formula also includes digestive enzymes and live probiotics for better digestion and absorption. Certified USDA organic, non-GMO, kosher, and NSF certified gluten-free, it meets high standards for quality. Whether you're looking to boost your protein intake or enjoy a convenient meal replacement, this shake delivers balanced nutrition with a lightly sweet flavor. Ideal for both men and women, it's a great addition to any healthy lifestyle. Number 3. ALOHA Organic Plant-Based Protein Bars 6-Flavor Variety Pack 12-Count Vegan Snacks. ALOHA Organic Plant-Based Protein Bars in the 6-Flavor Variety Pack are the perfect guilt-free snack for anyone looking to fuel their body with clean, nutritious ingredients. Each bar is made with organic, whole food ingredients that are vegan, gluten-free, and free from soy, stevia, and artificial sweeteners. With 12 bars in a variety of delicious flavors, you'll enjoy a satisfying snack that's high in protein and low in sugar. These bars are also non-GMO, soy-free, and contain no preservatives or artificial colors. They offer a great balance of macronutrients, making them an excellent choice for those following a low-carb or healthy lifestyle. The convenient 1.9 OS size makes them easy to take on the go, whether you're at work, hiking, or in need of a quick pick-me-up. Enjoy a clean, tasty, and satisfying snack with ALOHA protein bars, perfect for keeping you energized throughout your day. Number 4. Vega Sport Premium Vegan Protein Powder Chocolate Plant-Based Protein. Vega Sport Premium Vegan Protein Powder in Chocolate is the perfect choice for anyone looking to fuel their post-workout recovery with clean, plant-based nutrition. Each 4L tub provides about 45 servings of this rich, smooth protein powder, offering 30 grams of protein and 5 grams of BCAAs per serving to help rebuild and recover after intense exercise. Free from dairy, gluten, and added sugars, Vega Sport Protein is sweetened with stevia and contains 2 billion CFUs of probiotics and 2 grams of dietary fiber for digestive health. This NSF certified for sport protein powder is also non-GMO and free from artificial flavors and preservatives, making it a great addition to your daily routine. Simply mix 1 scoop into 12 of water, non-dairy milk, or blend into your favorite smoothie for a delicious, clean protein boost. Perfect for athletes or anyone looking for a nutritious plant-based protein supplement. Number 5. IsaLean Protein Shake Complete Superfood Meal Replacement for Maintaining Healthy Weight. IsaLean Protein Shake by Isagenix is a complete superfood meal replacement designed to help you maintain a healthy weight while supporting muscle growth. Each serving of this creamy French vanilla shake provides 24 grams of high-quality protein, making it a perfect post-workout or meal replacement option. Packed with 23 essential vitamins and plant-directed trace minerals, including vitamin C for immune support, this shake promotes overall health and wellness. The formula also includes an amino acid profile from branched-chain amino acids to further support muscle recovery and maintenance. IsaLean Protein Shake is soy-free, gluten-free, non-GMO, and low-glycemic, with no artificial flavors, colors, or sweeteners, making it a clean and nutritious choice for anyone looking to stay on track with their health goals. Whether you're looking to fuel your workouts or manage your weight, IsaLean Protein Shake is a convenient and delicious option for a balanced lifestyle. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.